back to my channel, Rachel Reviews. We have a Stitch Fix unboxing. We're gonna open her up with our trusty rusty screwdriver. So I posted a video and at the end I was like, yeah, like put a screwdriver emoji if you watched all the way to the end. And the box opened up real easy. I forgot I had put that. And so when I saw you guys' comments, I was like, I thought they were knives at first. And I was like, why are they putting knives? And then I remembered what I did instead. If you haven't tried Stitch Fix before, there's a referral link down below to get $25 towards your first box. So you can see if you want to do it. I get credit too if you do it. And all my referrals for all my other stuff is down there too, I think. Yeah. Here we go. I say it opened up really easily, but then I didn't do the ends. So they send you the mailer to send back the things you don't want to keep. This is a big box. Look how big. She's a big girl. Okay. Oh, there's 2 bundles. That's why. Hold, please. Here we go. Okay, I got the bundles out. Look. Oh, so fluffy. Okay, it looks like it's all sweaters. I think I picked a few things. I can't remember. Let's read our note. The stylist sends you a note. See, note. Hello there, Rachel. Leaves are falling. Autumn is calling. I have a friend named Autumn. I have picked this fix full of some cozy pieces for the colder months ahead. I personally am so ready for this season. It's definitely one of my favorites, and I'm so excited to help give you a wardrobe refresh this time of year. I do need a wardrobe refresh because I unpacked all my sweaters that I packed up last year, and I need some. So now let's go ahead and jump in. To start, I have included this winter black and white long sleeve sweater for you to try. The sweater will look great paired with some jeans. Finish it off with some booties to complete the look. For another great look, pair this pink clover burnt orange long sleeve sweater with some jeans as well. Is there anything in particular you would like to see next time? Warmest wishes, Madeline. Thanks, Madeline. I just love sweaters. I don't know about, I feel like I'm really close to you guys. Well, I am. I love sweaters. Just, you know, keep them coming. It's sweater season, baby. All right. First bundle. Here we go. Dun, 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 dun. Here's the black and white one. So this first little bundle is the one she wrote about. Here's the black and white one. It's kind of cute. It's kind of cropped. Is it cropped? It's not like cropped, but crop. That's really cute. I like it. It's more of like definitely a traditional sweater feel. It's not like super soft or anything. But I like the knit pattern. I like the black and white. It's classic. And we have the burnt orange one by Pink Clover. Ooh. She's kind of got like a little soft doll mini little sleeve there. There's some paper on her back. It says kick me. And then the knit's going sideways. So that's kind of cute. Here's your sleeve. I like that. I do like that. And next we have the fluffy bundle. This one's, ooh, I think I picked this one. She's just a little knit cardigan. Got some buttons. Got some, oh. So the front knit is a more bumpy kind of knit texture, and then the back is more of just like a pearl knit. If you knit, you know what I'm talking about. So I knit, not well. I can make squares. I can make big giant blankets. Ooh, this one's really soft. Dude, I haven't been reading the names. I'll go back through. This is Market & Spruce Aspen Cropped Blouse and Sleeve Sweater in Blue by Market & Spruce. And I think I have this in gray from last year. So this light blue is kind of nice. I do like the light blue. Okay, this is the, we'll go back. Love Ellie Marlowe Full Button Cardigan in Olive. And I think these are all size large. And Pink Clover Rosamond Long Sleeve Sweater in Burnt Orange. Rosamond. Love Ellie Riada, I'm going to spell it R-I-Y-A-D-H. Long sleeve sweater in black. And lastly, ooh, she's heavy. Mason & Bell Ellie Textured Long Sleeve Sweater in Olive. She's heavy. Like you know when you pull clothes out of the washer when they're wet and they just feel heavy? That's what she feels like. She's very heavy. But she's kind of cute too with the different color stripes. Got beige and black and green. All right, let's try things on. Here's the first sweater, the heavy one. She's kind of cute. She doesn't feel like really heavy on, except for maybe like in the sleeves. But she's kind of cute, very fall. She's nice. I do like the way she feels. Here's the texture. I think she's very interesting. I don't have anything like this. Do I need something like it? I don't know, probably not. It's a little like side slit over here. So it's a nice length too, I think, especially for like leggings. I have my black democracy jeans on. Oh, there's deer in my backyard. Do you guys want to see? Look at those little deers. Hey, baby. Anyway, I like this sweater, but I don't love it. On to the next. All right, this one's definitely thinner. Well, the other one was kind of thin too, but like I said, it was heavy. Here's the texture. It's a really pretty color. I like it. I do have like 2 other sweaters this color already, so I don't think I'll keep it, but it feels really nice. It's really soft. I like it. It's got like a little slight dolman-esque-ness. It's a nice sweater. Nice lightweight. Probably like a really good layering kind of sweater, you know? So, recommend it. Just not for me, because I already have 2 similar ones. Here's the green cardigan. She's cute. I would wear a tank top or a cami or something under this because, you know, the buttons will come open. So, definitely would wear that, but I think this one's really cute. It's a heavier knit. It's more like look at that. It's like a marled kind of knit pattern. It's cute. Here's the back. I think it's a nice length. I like it. Do I love it? I don't know. I like the V of it. I like the V-neck for sure. I think it's cute. I don't think I would wear this one like just over something because the button goes up so high. It's a good length. I don't know, let's do more. Here's the black and white sweater. As you can see, it is pretty cropped because you can see my stomach. And these jeans are pretty high rise. So if I raise my arm, there's my stomach. But it's cute. This is very 90s sweater for me. From the way that it feels to the way it looks, just like very 90s. I think I wish that the stripe maybe went up like one more so that it's not so like central, you know what I mean? So 90s. I like it. Here's the texture. Again, I don't think I love it. So, this is so middle school for me. Okay, here's the back. Let's do the last one. Here's the last sweater. I think this is the best one. If I were to keep one, I don't know. I have this in gray, and I don't know if this light blue is enough of a departure from the gray one I already have to justify keeping it, but it's so soft. It has this like nice little balloon sleeve. It's so soft. In my gray one, I've worn it a bunch, the one I got last year, and it's like still really soft, so I know that it's gonna hold up really nicely. Yeah, this one's really cute. Super cute. It's good length. Here's the back. All right, let's go over prices and see if I'm gonna keep anything. If I did, it would be this one, but again, I don't know. Let's go over prices. Prices. Here we go. Okay. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and all that stuff if you want to and things. And if you if you make it to the end of the video, well, I'm going to tell you at the end what to comment. Pink Clover, Rosamund long sleeve sweater, the burnt orange one, $50. That one was nice. That would be like, if I didn't already have an orange one, it would be like number 2. Market and Spruce, that was the most expensive one in the box. Market and Spruce, aspen cropped blouse in blue. The last one, the soft one, $46, so not bad. Love Ellie Marlowe full button cardigan, $46. the winter, I don't think it said winter before, Riata long sleeve sweater in black, the black and white one, $48, and the Mason & Bell LA textured long sleeve sweater in the green with the stripes, $48. So the whole box, $238. If you keep everything, you get 25% off, so $178.50 for the whole box. I don't know if I'm gonna keep anything this time, you guys. I think maybe if this were like in a very different color than my gray one, I would probably keep this one. But I don't know, I think I'm gonna hold out. If you guys made it this far into the video, comment a leaf for fall. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm going to clean this bathroom when I get done doing this video, and I'm gonna make dinner. I'm gonna make like a chicken pot pie thing. Well, it's not really a pot pie, it's like a chicken veggie skillet, and then you put like biscuits on top and bake it in the oven. That's what I'm gonna do. All right, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time.